Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see about the nutrition facts. In a file called as nutrition.py, implement a program that prompts the user to input a fruit and then output the number of calories in one portion of that particular fruit. So the calorie we already have a poster which contains, can you see, apple one portion is going to have 130 calories. Avocado is going to have 50 calories. Like that we have the full chart and we can try to implement with the help of this particular chart. So here they have said you the user should give an input of an uh, fruit name, and we are going to give them the calories. So here they have also given you in the hint that you can use a dictionary to make it in an easy way. So let us try to do this. So for easy convenience, I have just made it as a dictionary already available for you with all the fruits and its calorie value. So now we are going to ask the user about the fruit which they want. So f is equal to input item. So I am asking the user what item, and then I will convert it into lowercase to avoid confusion, because all the dictionaries keys I have written in lowercase. Okay. So after this what I will do is if f in fruit dict. So if the f is available in my fruit dictionary, I will just print the calories. Okay. So calories is the key value. Okay, key is the actual thing and value is the calories. Okay, I'm going to print calories. Okay, I'll just see the format. Okay, capital letter A, capital letter C. CALORIES. Calories, and then I will print F of, fruit dict of F. Okay, I think you understood, because this is a dictionary. I am going to print the value of this particular key. So key is available in my F variable. Okay, I think now it is easy for you to understand. Let us check whether our program works. It is a very small program, very easy also. Okay. Okay. So here we are using the dictionary because dictionary is also iteratable. Okay. Yeah, all greens, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.